Okay, I'm here to do an update. I just got word from the court, from some people that are in there right now, about what the Crown prosecutor is really trying to paint my sister as a criminal. As I said, the criminalization of Indigenous peoples that are fighting for their Indigenous titles and rights to their land are often criminalized by the government of Canada and colonial nation states that are occupying Indigenous territories and that control the colonial court system. My sister, however, is not a criminal, and the charges that they're talking about is some more recent charges from Nisgaunlith at her home, where right now the Trans-Canada Highway is threatening to expand the highway from a two-lane, one lane going eastbound and one lane going westbound. And the Trans-Canada Highway is the #1 transportation infrastructure in all of Canada that has made Canada very wealthy, into the billions and trillions off of the transportation, off of these highways that us from Nisgaunlith, Secwepemc territory, where this highway goes right through and bisects us or cuts us off from the river. And Mayuk has been resisting it, along as with myself and my family, the Manuel family that owns CP land along that Trans-Canada Highway. And it was actually Skitchin Resources that's involved in the theft of our family business there. And Skitchin Resources that are the staff and actually the ones that are involved with the charges laid on my sister. And these are false and fabricated, bogus, politically corrupt charges. And she's being criminalized for it. And the prosecution is trying to paint my sister as a criminal for protecting our property. And we've always wanted to protect this land. It's land that my great-granny had purchased, or my great-granny had purchased for my grandmother. And this is the land that I have a lot on. And my father started a Skahish gas station there on the reserve. And also another thing is Sun Peaks. Sun Peaks Ski Resort it was a political land conflict that happened between the Secwepemc peoples and Nippon Cable and the provincial and the federal governments of Canada and British Columbia. And Nippon Cable and Sun Peaks Ski Resort wanted to clear cut the entire 4 mountains, a part of our watershed and our Moose